how to make Spotify look better on PC by customizing it. So if you want to customize your Spotify, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your browser, and on your browser you need to search for Spicetify and go with Spicetify.app, and it will have this kind of interface. Now you just need simply go and install the application, which is right here. So click on install. Once you click on install, then you will have a lot of themes of Spotify. So this is basically a theme for Spotify. You can simply change your themes from here. You can just go with install and it will take you to a whole new Spotify theme. As you can see that you will have all of these themes, but if you install the application, you will have more themes than that. So scroll down, and here as you can see that you will have themes, the customization you've always needed, and the extensions. You will also have the extensions, the custom apps. So just go with install, and once you've installed, you need to go with the next page, which is spicetify.apps/docs/getting started. Once you enter this, then it will take you to the guide on what you need to do after the installation. So you just need to simply install the application, and after that, if you're using it on your Windows, you just need to simply copy these commands, which are right here. So copy these commands, and then you need to run these commands one by one. You need to just copy the first one, hit the enter, copy the second one, paste it, hit the enter. And if you're using Linux or macOS, then you can go with these codes right here. And after that, after completing the commands, you'll be able to use your Spotify with new themes. That's how you can make your Spotify look better on your PC. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.